This is the outside of the window. It's got ornamental block on each side. I'm going to fill in the cavity, frame it, make sure it's good and sturdy. I'm not going to do anything else with it. I'm just going to cover it up and paint it. I'm getting ready to sell this house, so the new owner, he can decide if he wants to grind this down a little bit and fill this in to make the wall smooth. That's up to him. I'm not going to do it. This is a garage, a carport. I'm not going to put a whole lot of effort into it. And that's my wood lathe. Yeah, I put some newspapers in for whoever tears the house down, they'll get some news of May 2026. Okay, this is the outside of the window that was sealed up on the inside. So now this is the outside that's in the carport. So I explored several very good options provided by my colleagues on the internet, and I wound up with going with a 1x4 pine, 3 of them, and they're screwed into the aluminum frame, and that's all I'm going to do. I'm going to throw up a sheet of drywall and call this bad boy done. It's a garage, ladies and gentlemen. It's a carport. It's not the living room, okay? If the new owner wants to shim this up and veneer the whole wall, that's his call. This is mine. Okay, we're going to finish this up. I've got a piece of drywall cut. I got the framing in. So we're going to heft this little piece of drywall up onto the cavity right there and see how it goes. Okay, disclaimer. I have a disclaimer. I'll be 78 years old next week, so this is probably my last drywall project of this magnitude. So got everything ready. I got some screws in, a plan of attack here. All right. Okie dokie. There we go. Okie doke. Yep. Very nice fit. Put some screws in it. I'm going to put a lot of liquid nails adhesive around the edges of it to seal it in. But it's flush with the wall. This is flush with the wall. So the next owner of the house, he can decide what to do with the concrete shutters, if anything. But this ledger right here is, you can't move that. Okay, using standard drywall methods and practices, it's all sealed up, buttered up, ready for primer. So this is it. Down and dirty, up and easy. Okay, this is the finished project, and it's done. I sprayed some medium texture Homax on it. Just so it wouldn't look like a piece of slick wall right there. And I'm pretty well pleased with it. That's it. Thank y'all so much for watching. And as always, y'all are very much appreciated, and I hope y'all have a blessed day.